This is just a quick, everyday, review of one of the things that we cook here pretty often at our house. We're using the grill. Tonight we have lamb and chicken. We season the chicken with a Mexican seasoning dry rub that I made. And for the lamb, it's very simple. It's just coarse salt and garlic. But the rub also has salt as one of the key ingredients. And I think that oftentimes we overlook the importance of salt in our everyday cooking. Um, a good salt. I mean, these lamb chops are having just salt and a little bit of garlic. So it's really only two, a little bit of a third ingredient on here. Chemical company salt compared to a natural gourmet salt. There's really just no comparison. When you think about it, as one of the main ingredients in most dry rubs, a good salt can make a huge difference in the final outcome of your food. So it's just something to think of. I was looking at the dinner tonight, thought I'd share. Anytime you're going to make something, salt is one of the main ingredients that you use, you reach for it. And you don't even think about it oftentimes. But if you take a minute, think about it, try some different salts, you could be surprised at the wonderful flavor that it can make.